Hello students, we have to solve the equation 5 to the power w minus 1 equals to 12, giving our answer in correct two decimal places. So if I'm writing an answer for one part A, so if we take log both the sides, so we can write w minus 1 is equal to ln 12 and over ln 5. So if I can write this, so we'll calculate into the calculator this value, and the value of w can be 1 plus ln 12 over ln 5. If I put it into the calculator, so the final answer that I get for this is 2.54, and that's the final answer to this question. Now moving on to the second part of the question, they said, solve the equation x to the power 2 by 3 minus 5 into x to the power 1 by 3 plus 6 equals to 0. In such type of questions, we'll assume that x to the power 1 by 3, we take it as equals to y, say. So x to the power 2 by 3 becomes y square minus 5y and plus 6 equals to 0. So we'll multiply 6 with 1. So we got it as 6, and the two factors which add up to 5 will be 3 and 2. So if I put up over here, so that's y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. So I can take y out. So that's y minus 3, and that's minus 2. So we got y minus 3 equals to 0. So we got y minus 2 and into y minus 3 equals to 0. So the two values of y that we got is 2 and 3. We know that y is nothing but x to the power 1 by 3, and if that equals to 2, so cubing both the sides, the value of x that we got is 8. And similarly, we can write x to the power 1 by 3 equals to 3. So cubing both the sides, so the value of x that we got is equals to 27. So these two are the valid answers for the equation. Now, dealing with the marking scheme of writing this correctly, we get 1 mark. And 1 mark for writing the final answer and the calculation correct. So that's how we get 2 marks for the 1A question. Now moving on to the second part of the question, if the substitution is correct and you are getting this equation correctly, you get 1 mark. If you solve out the equation correctly to get the two values that we got here, you get another 1 mark, and the final 1 mark for writing both the answers correct. So this is how you get in total the 3 marks for the B part of the question. Thank you, students.